Oh, I'm super stoked. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. So in today's episode, I did receive another package. This was from Gilbert Lopez. He's been on the channel before, was sending me some awesome diecast. If you guys don't remember, he sent me that amazing full set of Zamax. So I checked the mail this morning before I went to the gym and noticed there was a package. I'm waiting on 2 packages that I did trades with, and when I seen his name on there, I was like, wait a minute. So I hit him up on Instagram asking, hey man, was I supposed to be expecting a package, because I wasn't tracking that on my end. And then with him being such an awesome guy, he sent me this as a Christmas present. I don't know what's inside of it, but we're gonna go ahead and see what he sent me. You got another letter. I'm gonna go ahead and read this real quick. All right, it says, hope you like your new ponies. Sent a red car also. Since you like red cars, hope you like this one. Merry Christmas, Gilbert. Check that out, guys. That is awesome. Let's see. Oh man, what is this? Oh, look at that. 3 for $1. Not bad. Oh man. Oh, I'm super stoked. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh man, look at that. Got the 2015 Mustang GT convertible in black with the super clean split yellow PR5s. And it's so funny because I seen this yesterday at that antique mall in a diorama. Check that out. That's cool. And I thought to myself, man, I would love to have that in my collection. And guess what, guys? It is now in my collection. What are the odds? Check this out. This is out of the Muscle Mania series. This is a 2018 because it has the 50th Hot Wheels. So that thing is super clean. Do love the white hockey stripe running down the side, as well as the white stripe running down the hood. Does have the gray interior, and look at that, guys. That thing is super sweet. Corvette Grand Sport. Ooh, look at that. And it's part of the Faster Than Ever series. The Corvette Grand Sport in a super, super clean red fire metallic with the big FTE wheels on there. And it does have the really nice 63 tampos on the side, as well as the hood. Look at that deco on there. That is just super clean. Man, that is nice. This is going to be actually one of my favorite Corvettes in my lineup. Because let's see, these two were really tied up there. I do like that color variation. But I definitely do think that this is probably by far the best looking Corvette as far as the Grand Sports go. Let me know what you guys think. I definitely think it is better than the blue one right there by like a million times. Man, that is super nice. Gilbert, I definitely thank you so much for sending me that. That is wicked nice. Oh wait, and it doesn't stop there. We got a super clean red 68 Mustang, and this is of an earlier release, 2000 early release, and it is the nice red enamel with the silver deco on there and the chrome 5-spoke wheels. I definitely do love a fastback in there, especially the older Hot Wheels releases. That is going to go nicely in my 68s. Everything is pretty much in the mid to late 2000s, so definitely one of my oldest 68 Mustangs now. And look at this, another early 2000s. This is the 96 Mustang convertible with the really clean black flames and the running pony on the side. And it does have the 96 tampos on the bottom, black interior, and the split chrome PR5s. This one's collector number 114. This is collector number 126. Man, definitely an awesome Christmas package, but also next week's my birthday, so I'm gonna go ahead and consider this a little bit closer to an awesome birthday present. But still, look at this, guys. This red is really nice. I can't take my eyes off this thing. And then of course, getting this one after seeing it in the antique mall, definitely stoked. Actually, I'm stoked to get all these, so thank you so much for sending me this. Like I mentioned in our conversation this morning, if you ever need anything, let me know what you're looking for. I know you said you'll let me know later on in the future. Thank you so much for sending me this. Guys, check this out. This is awesome. Let me know which one of these was your favorite as far as the unboxing goes. I know I'm a huge Mustang guy, but that Corvette, I cannot stop looking at that thing. That just That is very, very nice. This is an awesome, awesome surprise mail call. Was not expecting it one bit. And I got a cool 3 for $1 little coupon right here. I don't even think this is current. This is Northern California Safeway. I'm just playing with you. I just wanted to make this a little bit fun. But definitely a huge shout out to Gilbert Lopez. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a real short and real straight to the point mail call video, but like I said, I wasn't expecting it. And this has been sitting in my car all day and I've just been antsy to film it for you guys, especially because I wanted to know what was inside it. And now you guys know. An awesome Corvette Grand Sport, a 96 vert, 2015 vert, and of course the 68 fastback. So that is all I got, guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow should be another Free It Friday video. I don't know what cast it's going to be, so we'll get to that point when we get there. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that little red button down at the bottom, as well as the bell, so you don't miss out on tomorrow's upload or any other future uploads. So that's all I got, guys. Until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.